We're an arm of the Dutch VDL Group, which specializes in the designing, developing, and manufacturing of complex, high-tech components, modules, and systems for the semiconductor industry. In Singapore alone, we have over 30,000 meters square of production space and a workforce of more than 800 employees. We are deeply committed to integrating sustainability and innovation into our operations.
In response to the growing demand for manufacturing equipment in the region, VDL ETG Singapore expanded its footprint by constructing a cutting-edge facility. This new facility not only increased production capacity, but also set a benchmark for sustainable practices in high-tech manufacturing.
Our new facility was built to meet our industry's growing demand for high-tech manufacturing equipment, and our facility's design approach constitutes a part of our leadership team's drive through our hardware, software, and hardware initiative. Lighting is not just about visibility. It's also about creating a safe, productive, and comfortable workplace for our employees. Sustainability, innovation, and employee experience were key priorities for us, and the Interact connected lighting solution from Signify helps us achieve these goals.
Interact is an advanced, connected lighting solution designed to optimize lighting usage, enhance operational efficiency, and promote worker well-being in industrial environments. By leveraging data collected from sensors integrated into the lighting infrastructure, the system drives smarter decisions and sustainable practices. At this facility, over 1,500 connected luminaires were implemented across 3 warehouse floors and 4 office levels, creating a seamless lighting ecosystem.
Signify's on-demand lighting approach has allowed us to cut lighting expenses by almost half compared to standard options, significantly reducing energy use and CO2 emissions. Moreover, it has helped us reduce the amount of menial actions and run preventive maintenance programs for lighting control, bringing an attractive business case for our total cost of ownership. Signify has been the ideal partner for our project. The Interact solution has been delivered on its promise to us, providing energy efficiency, operational improvements, and enhancing our employees' well-being. Feedback from our team has been overwhelmingly positive, and we're excited about how scalable this solution is for our future expansions. It's a great example of how we at VDL can have sustainability and innovation go hand in hand.